Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we dive into an essential topic for anyone striving for success: prioritizing your goals. It's all about staying focused and focusing your energy on what really matters, making every step towards your dream life count. Each of us has many goals and aspirations, but trying to pursue them all at once can result in overwhelmed and scattered efforts. That's why priority is the secret sauce to achieving outstanding results. Think of prioritizing your goals as using a compass to guide you toward your destination. It helps you stay on the right track and guides you through life's obstacles. The first step in prioritizing your goals is to make a list of all your goals. Write down everything you want to achieve, big or small, personal or professional. Prioritizing my goals changed everything. It allowed me to focus on what really mattered to me and allocate my time and resources wisely. The sense of clarity and improvement was incredible. Amazing! That brings us to the second step. Once you've listed all of your goals, it's time to identify your main goals, the ones that most align with your values and long-term vision. These are the goals that really matter to you. By aligning with your main goals, you can channel your efforts into significant gains. Remember, it's okay to have multiple goals, but not all of them are equally important. Be intentional about your choices. The third step is to break down your major goals into actionable steps and set realistic deadlines for each. This gives you a clear roadmap and prevents procrastination. Breaking your goals down into smaller tasks makes them more achievable and measurable. So, prioritize your goals and focus on what really matters. Embrace the journey and see how your efforts can have a meaningful impact on your life. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, show it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. Remember, prioritizing your goals is the roadmap to success. Take care, and until next time, keep your eyes on what really matters. Welcome.